In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone a board owner in Monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means so you can confidently manage permissions on any board in your workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you have access to the workspace where your board lives. To begin, navigate to the specific board where you want to add an owner. You can do this by using the left-hand sidebar, your recent boards list, or the search bar at the top of the screen. Open that board so you're looking at its main view, with all of your items and columns visible. Next, draw your attention to the top right corner of the board. You're looking for the invite or members icon, which usually looks like one or more little person silhouettes. This is the control area for managing who has access to the board and what level of access they have. Go ahead and click that icon to open the Members and Invite panel. Now, before you can make someone a board owner, they need to actually be on the board. If the person you want to promote isn't listed among the current members, you'll need to invite them first. In the panel that just opened, look for the option to invite a new member to the board. Type in their email address or choose them from your account's existing user list, depending on how your Monday.com setup is configured. Send the invite, and once they're added, they should appear in the board's member list. With that done, you're ready to assign ownership. In the same invite or members panel, find the person's name in the list of people who have access to the board. Next to each name, you'll see a small crown icon. By default, this crown is gray, which indicates that the person is not currently a board owner. To promote them, simply click that gray crown. When you do, it will turn blue. That color change is your confirmation that this person is now a board owner. As a board owner, they'll have additional permissions, like changing board settings, managing other members, and adjusting views or structures. If you ever need to remove ownership, just come back to the same area and click the blue crown again to toggle it off. And that's all there is to it. Open your board, access the invite icon, invite the person if needed, and then click the crown to make them a board owner.